and welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Excel 365 Beginner. My name is Kathy Jones. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and I've spent more than 20 years training and consulting on Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who are new to Excel and want to learn foundational tools. We'll start with navigating the Excel interface and moving between cells. Then we'll look at using Excel commands and selecting cells. Next, we'll create and save a new workbook, enter cell data, copy and paste information, and learn how to use help. We'll also look at using autofill to enter information. From there, we'll create formulas, add the most commonly used functions, and copy and paste formulas and functions. Then, we'll apply text formats and styles to cells. We'll also look at creating conditional formatting rules and printing your workbook. Next, we'll insert several types of charts and also add graphic objects. In our last section, we'll sort and filter lists of data. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will know how to navigate and use the basic elements of Excel and start creating your own workbooks. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.